Hello guys, this is our beautiful room. So today we're going to do a vlog on
Cleaning of the room. We will show you before cleaning and after cleaning. You guys need to comment that which you people are used to. Let's start it. So,
Okay, let's go inside our beautiful room. See, this is our room number. Don't complain to our water.
Zero has
So let's see. Ta-da! See how beautiful our room is. Okay, these are the bananas we today we've stolen and came from downside only. But I'm proud of GCU. They are providing good food for us. Okay, let's see.
these
I don't know why these buckets and all there.
curse us for this. I
Yeah.
know it's very messy, but
See,
hostel rooms used to be.
see my suitcase. Okay, someone coming. Okay, sorry, someone came. That is not someone. It's a kind of monster which came in a yellow dress.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's see. See, I think this they gave for drying the clothes, but we used to keep like this only. Okay, someone staying inside. Okay. This is also one kind of monster. See, you can see that monster's head. It have hair also. Okay. While sitting down, I found something. See? This is under
See
our
our study table. More than a study table, it is
very
messy
bad.
table.
I am showing our floor. You are saying about our study table.
Then show.
How beautiful it is. I think this room made up of chappals. Yeah. Here we go. This is our study table. See how pleasant it
Other
is.
than study material, everything exists here.
Here is a
apart
phone.
from study materials, to be honest.
See. Mask. Wear mask. Stay safe. Stay beautiful.
See, in one blog we have shown this also. Like what one blog? First blog.
Yeah. This is me, because my nickname is Hachu. So that's why I made it.
But you don't need to reveal your real name.
Yeah, I won't reveal. Why should I? See, how many books? Basically, I'm very padips. See, this is the not big quotes. It's a good quote, which I wrote on 24th August. The best way to predict your future is to create it. It's not written by me. It's copied by me. So what else is there? Let's show something else. Girl, can you find this? What is this?
Some sort of pickle material, right?
Yeah. From when it
we
is?
wasted it because we kept that this lid open now, so air gone and it got wasted.
Yeah. From when it's like
And
this?
we regretted a lot because we are pickle lovers. We girls are pickle lovers for sure.
You can see many things on here. You can eat salt whenever you feel bored.
Like
Please, I don't know. It got empty. Why it's still staying here? I don't know. I don't know how many years old and all. Old milk packets. Yeah. You want to open your wardrobe? Okay. See?
okay, so that's before cleaning.
This is the one which this girl used to clean her lipsticks and all.
Yeah, because I'm lipstick lover, all knows. Okay, so
And show your lips here.
okay, so this is before cleaning. So now we will show after cleaning. So just rate us, like rate. Okay, guys. So let's clean. We'll show you
Okay.
also.
See? Okay, here we go. Our cleaning process are going on.
हो गया this is there.
No, I need that. What happened?
I did like
Oh. Yeah. Good. Nice. It's fine. It is. How beautiful it is. So this is her cloth Himalaya. Oh, where is the peak? Yeah, it's came. This girl watching something very bad. What you're watching? Movie. Very bad. This is my roommate who doing the works. I'm not showing you. Don't worry. Your beauty won't go anywhere.
2,000 years later. One eternity later.
So now time is 11:30. We only cleaned this area and this area somewhat, and we folded all clothes. Still sweeping, and these stuffs are reminding.
More than 50% we did.
Yeah, more than 50% done. So we will continue tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow for sure.
So yes, finally. So guys, here it is, our final look. So let's see. We just cleaned our room completely. And washed our utensils also. Actually started doing from night time, but at last we slept so early yesterday. So yes, morning only we cleaned all this place. See, actually my keychain got broken, so instead of pin cap I'm using this doll's head. And yeah, this is artificial one. It looks cool, right? Okay, so this I made morning only, like 2 minutes craft. Let me show how it works. Yeah, we can keep our earphones like this, and okay, add on to that we can keep our keys like this, like 2 minutes. Okay guys, just rate our room cleaning stuffs and see. This is the last look of our room. Okay guys, hope you like this video. My phone running out of space, so I need to quit this video now only. Just like, comment and share. And most important, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye bye. See you.